Hello kids, welcome back to Funtoonica. Today we are going to learn alphabets and counting. Let's start. Black color, blue color, orange color, red color, purple color, green color and pink color. So let's start. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for goat. This is H. H for hen. This is I. I for yummy yummy ice cream. And this is J. J for juice. This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for monkey. This is N. N for nose. This is O. O for orange. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for tiger. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for watch. This is X. X for Xmas tree. Very good. This is Y. Y for yak. And this is Z. Z for zebra. Very good kids. Now we will move to counting. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. And this is 8. Very good. This is 9. Right. And 1, 0, 10.